In this video, I'm going to talk about 4 free certification courses from Udemy. So let's see what are these free certification courses that you can do from Udemy. The very first course is here, Adobe Illustrator CC from 0 to beyond. In this course, you'll be able to learn Adobe Illustrator with this practical and easy to follow the course. Let's see the second course. It is Publish Simple Videos for a Living Skillshare Earnings. In this video, you'll be able to find how the content creator makes simple video content and upload it to Skillshare, and how anyone can do this regardless of his skills. And third course is Python for Absolute Beginners. Learn Python from scratch. In this video, you'll be able to learn the Python programming from the scratch to the advanced level, so you can do this course too. And the last course is Network Ethical Hacking for Beginners. So in this course, you'll be able to learn how hackers think, hack and secure your system, like security experts, ethical hacking, cybersecurity related course. So if you're interested in cybersecurity, you can do this course too, and you'll get your free certificate. You'll get all of these 4 free certification courses link in the video description. So please check the video description to get your free courses link.